Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Everyone calls us lucky. But we're not lucky. We're smart. We're geniuses. Congratulations, all of you Bitcoin pumping, tech stocks pumping, MCRT pumping. Beautiful day. I'm very happy for you. We're going to jump into Bitcoin. We're going to jump into Ethereum. We're going to jump into tech stocks. Tesla is pumping in pre-market. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. And I'm also going to choose the winner of 500 USDT from last video about 8 hours ago. So congratulations to who's going to win. Just the winner, when I choose it now, just comment your USDT, public USDT address, and I'm going to send you 500 USD. Congratulations to all of you. Massive gains. I'm going to show you in my accounts. My account went from, I think in 2 weeks, now 150K, which is beautiful. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. And equivalent on other accounts, like, wow, crazy gains. And I'm going to show you a lot of information in this video. We're going to be quick. IDEX up 4.8%, Meta up 3.5% yesterday, 1% in pre-market, FXS 2.8%, MCRT 2.7%, nearly 30% pump in 2 weeks, Tesla 2.4%, and today in pre-market 2.8%. Everything Google 1.8%, Doge pumping 1%. Congratulations, Bitcoin 35,380. I have been calling Bitcoin perfectly. If you've been following my videos the last month, my Elliott wave counts have been on point. Amazing technical analysis. I have to pat myself on the back because wow. We made so much money and I made so many millionaires. I'm so proud of myself. This week on the daily is turning into a doji. We got to be careful here. Dojis are reversal patterns. So today we really need to see this weak pump. But as you can see here, this was also a doji and Bitcoin didn't care, just pumped through it. And the volume is just agreeing with what's happening. Volume predicts price. As I teach you in the crypto masterclass, volume predicts price. So this volume that's coming in doesn't look like it's going away. Bitcoin is breaking out of this symmetrical rising wedge, this big rising wedge on the longer term time frame. Usually builds pressure and then breaks to the downside, but you can see Bitcoin's already broke through and pumping through, which means our target is $46,943 for Bitcoin. Bitcoin target $46,943, which is beautiful. Let's go closer, 4 hourly. Bitcoin is heading up. Let's look at what the indicator bots are saying. Actually, I haven't checked them for a while. Crypto Guru Bot blue buy, calling the buy perfectly back here at 21K. Look at the blue buy on Bitcoin indicator bot. Beautiful. On the that was the Crypto Guru Bot. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy down here. It called it multiple times actually on this moves up on the Elliott wave counts. Look, it calls the Elliott waves counts, which is quite beautiful. You get these bots in the crypto mastercourse. Number 3 in the description. Let's go closer, 4 hour time frame. Big volume coming in the last 2 days. Huge volume spikes on Bitcoin. The last time Bitcoin volume spiked like this, we had this spike. We went from 29,000 to 36,000. And you can see this volume is spiking again. How far will this run? The target for me is 35K is big resistance, but 40K is another big resistance. 46,943 is the target. When we haven't finished, I don't know if this is the first wave yet. It still looks like we're in the first wave of the new Elliott wave impulse waves. We're not started a corrective wave, which is very interesting to me. It's still in this first impulse wave. It's still a bull flag. It's still a symmetrical triangle. It's broken out. It did a double top, but it's rising again. Bitcoin broke out of this symmetrical triangle. If you've been following my videos for the last few days, congratulations. If you haven't taken a trade, I would still take this trade from earlier today. Opening at 34,530, stop loss 34,099, take profit 46,943, 28 risk to reward ratio, risking $480 to make $12,476 without any leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $124,000. With 100x leverage, it's $1.24 million on Bitcoin. So again, the trade opens 34,530, stop loss 34,099, take profit 46,943. That's my trade target and setup for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades. If you've been following my trades lately, underneath the video, if you want to trade like me, sign up to Bybit using this link. You get a $30,000 bonus when you sign up and meet their trading requirements. OKX is giving away prizes. And take the crypto mastercourse to get the bots and to learn how to trade and set up charts. 3, join us in the Telegram community. There's 9,000 or 8,500 of you trading together. And I asked earlier today, so this is in the Telegram, 8,457 of you. These were my gains earlier today, 381,000 in this account. Bitcoin trade 15,000. I made $48,000 yesterday. I called this on the 18th of October. 18th of October. Bitcoin trade target 34,000. And yesterday I also called this urgent and Bitcoin Tesla about to move big. And we've just had massive pumps. Then I asked, be careful, anyone. If you're reading this, if you're speaking to me in private messages, 100% fake scammer account, not me. I've got a full-time team that's trying to get rid of scammers, but they just keep creating accounts. So be very careful. I won't ask you for money. I won't ask you to send me anything. I also asked people to share their trade gains today. And you can see some of the gains of the students. This is just today's messages. So this guy made 83%, 170%, 42%. This guy made 150%. Congratulations to you. I forgot, look at this. I forgot that I posted this earlier today. I forgot I had this trader open on Femex, $12,787 in profits. If you guys remember when I opened this trade, I totally forgot about it. And it's $12,787 in profits. And then wish I forgot something like that. Yes, it's nice but it compounds. I used to have no money, everyone. I was poor when I was young. I made all this by myself. When I was 16, I left home because my dad had a lot of fights. He was very aggressive. But anyway, I left home at 16 with $100,000 in debt, actually, from my father. And then I worked it off. I made all my money myself. I didn't have any handouts. No one helped me. I didn't come from a rich family. I did this myself. And you can do it too. And that's Bitcoin. My account is pumping over on Bybit, $381,796 in here. Today it's up 334. The day switched, but 381,820. Let's see if it changes again. Let's refresh. 381,867. So that was like $40 in 1 second. 381,875. 1 second later, $5. Let's see how I just like watching it move sometimes. And I'm going to go into Tesla after this. 381,845. This Bitcoin trade is $15,076 in the profits, 102% on my trade. It's a $233,000 trade. It's 7 Bitcoin trade. So this trade is pumping. That's in this account. Congratulations to all of you. Bitcoin pumped 2.89% yesterday. Uniswap pumped 14% on Uniswap, everyone. 14%. That's a big one. I have $38,000 of Uniswap. Doge is up 5%. I have $34,000 of Doge. MCRT is up 8.5%. I have $30,000 of MCRT. FXS is up 9%. I have 26,000 of it. Congratulations, everyone. This is on this account. Also, I'm going to show you some just information. These are my gains. Again, so this was me on the 24th of October. Retail isn't buying these Bitcoin pumps. There's not much volume buying coming from retail. This is institutions buying. And again, I posted this again. Again, this is institutional Bitcoin buyers. Volume isn't coming from retail. I can see your volume as a collective traders on Bybit. And this is not us buying it. This is institutions. Today I made $101,000. And if you know me, you know I love 111 numbers. $101,001, which is beautiful. Bitcoin is beyond the point of no return. This is Plan B, the guy who had the Bitcoin cycles. A bull market is green, is inevitable. The only questions are, when does FOMO start? How high will this bull run go? And how long will it last? My target is 100K if you follow me. And don't forget, there's a few hours left of this AI Halloween challenge to win $333 of the MCRT by creating AI images. Go follow Magicraft on Twitter, Magicraft Game, and win that $333. Magicraft also secured $10 million in funding. This milestone propels our vision further, which is congratulations, Magicraft team. And you can see when I called Bitcoin trade target 34K, that yesterday I made 48,000 and just mega gains across the board. That day I made 119,000. That day 33,000. This was in the last weeks, which is beautiful. And a lot of you are also making gains. Also, I'm going to pick a comment. So these are the comments on the video earlier today. And I said there's $500 prize to be won. And the first person that commented their friends' names, which is all the way down here. First, good night. Great effing call, bro. Much love. You're the man. Boom. Congratulations. Amazing. Well done, MCRT. Well done. Thank you, Gillian. When will the fifth wave be at the top of the fifth wave in January? We can't know till we have to watch the Elliott wave counts as they move. So what we use the Elliott wave count to find what will most likely where it is, but we can't know when the way we know it is when the first impulse wave finishes, then the second corrective wave, how deep that corrective wave will be, and then that second to third impulse wave is the biggest wave. So that will determine how big the fifth wave will be. Bitcoin is also golden crossed and heading up. It didn't uncross, which is very good news. And the winner is, thank you, James, as always, thank you, and anytime. And Thomas Jeremy Confident, done. Congratulations, Farastak. You have won 500 USDT. So just comment USDT. I'm typing on the side, everyone. I'll flip this in the editing. Comment your public USDT address. You have to use that same account to comment. Comment your public USDT address. Congratulations on 500 US dollars. I'm going to send that to you as soon as you comment. The team will send it to you as soon as you comment. Again, make sure you use your account that you commented with. Congratulations, Farah, on your 500 USDT. I feel that thumbnail. Yeah, Bitcoin pumping was that thumbnail. My Bybit account, this trades I showed you. Magicraft is also pumping like crazy. Look at this. Up 8% today, 7.777%, which I like the numbers. Look at that. On the day, 7%. But look at the 7 days, 18.75% in the last 7 days. Also, this is my trade that I talked about on Femex. I forgot that I had this trade open. And I just reminded me today, and you can see it's $12,386 in the profits. I entered the trade with, it was about how much? I can't see. Some Bitcoin long at 20, I entered 22,870. It's up 110%, $12,386. I forgot about that trade, which is beautiful. And yeah, that's what's happening on Bitcoin. Let's go in. I'm just going to leave it on Bitcoin. Again, I also bought Tesla. I'm buying Tesla actually today. Sorry, I'm going to buy that 50% I sold. I'm going to buy 25% of, I was meant to buy yesterday, but I just got busy with making too much money and just congratulating everyone, congratulating all of you guys. That's it for this video. Love you all. Congratulations to all of you. If you've been following me for 3.5 years, you know that this isn't the first day that I've made millionaires. People made hundreds of thousands of dollars. I've been doing this for years, and I just want to pat myself on the back because look at these gains that I made, students. This guy on my Telegram made $67,000. This guy made $104,000. This guy made $46,000. This guy made 700%. James, you are a genius. Yes. This guy made $30,000. This guy made 510 is an amazing trade at 16,000, 47,000. This guy made 863%, 1,400%. And again, I'm just so happy for all of you. Congratulations to all of you. I'm going to continually monitor Bitcoin every day. I make almost 1 or 2 videos every single day where I monitor Bitcoin, where I call it before it happens, like I did on October. I said that Bitcoin's going to 34K, and now we're at 35K. Big congratulations to all of you. Love you all, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.